Yeah, hello and welcome to this edition of our bubble.io class. Now, when you watch this preview page, this is the page of what we've done so far using Bubble, and then we've linked these home pages to their relevant with their relevant pages. Okay, so there's no problem over here. What I want to do is I want to add a sign up button here and create a pop-up. Okay, so that when I click on the sign up here, a pop-up should appear somewhere below it, having all these particular elements in it. So what do? I'll go to my main header. So I'll go to my main header, and then I'll put a sign up button here. So I'll go to button, I'll click and then join the sign up here, or join us, anything I want to. So I'll just write sign up. You can do the necessary styling, but I want to just leave it as such. I don't want to do so many things to it. And then increase the size a little bit. Okay, sign up. Okay, so let me just bold my text. Let me bold my text. My favorite Arial should come in. Arial. I'll choose area. Alright, let me bold it. Alright, so this is what I want to do. I want a button here so that when I click on the button, a pop-up appears somewhere here. So what do? I have to go back to my index page and copy all these elements. So I will just copy, select this, select that, select all the elements here. If you want to select, you can just hold the control and then be clicking the element you want to select. When you are done, right click and choose copy with workflow. Don't just use copy or control C. Copy it with the workflow. What this will do is it will copy it together with all the actions you've placed on this particular form. So that's what will happen. So I'm going to my main header, and then I'll create a pop-up. I need a pop-up. Yes, so pop-up. I can just take it and come and drop it here so that I can redesign my pop-up and then create a group within the pop-up to keep all my elements together. So I can create a group in here. I told you a group is not a shape, so it takes the design of the pop-up I've just placed here. What I do is I'll click on the group and I'll arrange it center horizontal and then center vertical, and make sure it is straight. Now when I'm pasting my element I copied, I'll right click and choose paste with workflow. I don't want to just choose paste or control V. I want to paste with the with the workflow. Now I can arrange it to fit inside my group this way. Alright, so this is what I wanted to do. so that when this button is clicked, this sign up form pops up. After pasting it here, the next thing to do is to go back to your index page, okay, where you copy these things from, and then delete all these elements. So like I say, if you want to select, to do multiple selection, hold on your control and then what, be hitting. So I've deleted this, okay, I've deleted this. Let me bring my, go back to my main header. Seems my sign up form is a bit far from the page. Okay, so we'll go back to your index and delete. When you delete it, you don't see anything here, but we've not added the workflow to this particular button to pop up. So if you want to do that, what do we do? Double click on it and you can start and edit what workflow. You can start and edit the workflow here. But before I add and I start adding action to it, let me explain something here. When I come to my elements side, you see there's pop-up A. That is the pop-up I created here, the one I just copied and I pasted it with the workflow. What I'll do is that it is written, it is by default named as what, pop-up what, A. I don't want it to be pop-up A, because when you're working with large forms, or large pop-ups, if you don't name it accordingly, you get confused when you are working with your pop-ups, because you are supposed to name them accordingly. You just have to double click on your pop-up rather, and pop-up A here. What do? You click and you write sign up, so that it will be, you name it accordingly, so that it will be easy for you to look for it or add actions to them. Okay, we don't want to add any action to this pop-up. We want to add action to the button rather. Alright, so we double click on the button and then we'll go to start and edit workflow. What do we want to do? We want to edit the element action. So you come to show. What are we going to show when this thing is clicked? We are going to show what, the pop-up sign up. This, that is all I want to do for now. So you close it and then you come to your index. Let me preview. Now when you preview it, now you see that the main sign up form is vanished. We have placed it inside this button, so that when we click this one, the pop-up will come out when it is out, so that we can we can just fill in the form. So let me just click on the button. You see our pop-up is out, and then we can just do the necessary filling. When we are done, we press the sign up to sign up. So this one, it works perfectly. So instead of putting the sign up form on your page, you can decide to put it in the button, the sign up button here, so that when someone clicks on the sign up button, the sign up form pops up. Then you are able to enter your details, do the registration. When you are done, you click on the sign up. That is all. See you in our next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.